Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy masculine shaker card for Father's Day, so let's get started. Honeybee Stamps has some amazing pattern paper pads, and today I'm using this gorgeous sky pattern from the Adventure Awaits pad. I'm also using the Happy cover plate die. I love the versatility of this die and how you can use it for so many different occasions. Today I'm using it for a Father's Day card. I trimmed the pattern paper down to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 and die cut the Happy cover plate die from black cardstock, and I keep all the letters for later. I also cut a small piece of acetate to fit one of the Happy rows. I apply flat adhesive strips around the third Happy and then adhere my acetate panel over that row. I want the fun pattern paper to show more, so I'm only making a shaker out of one of the words. After the acetate is in place, I add foam strips around the panel, making sure that the third Happy is sealed on all sides. Then I mix black opal and midnight confetti together in a little tray and then pour that into the shaker compartment. I use a tool to spread the confetti around and make sure that it's mostly in a single layer so that it will shake and move more easily. Next, I carefully remove the adhesive backing from all of the foam strips and then adhere my panel of pattern paper to seal up the shaker. I'm using sentiments from the retiring Kiss the Cook set, and I highly recommend it for masculine cards. I stamp a sentiment on the inside of my card base, and also stamp and die cut the main Happy Father's Day sentiment on white cardstock. Before I add the sentiment, I glue the inside pieces for all of my A's and P's. This isn't necessary, but I like the way it looks. Then I add adhesive to my sentiment and adhere it between the third and fourth row. And my super simple shaker is finished. I love that you could change up the colors or embellishments or pattern paper to create cards for Mother's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, retirement, and more. And that's it. You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafting inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!